Find the missing camera icon with these simple solutions. Search in the app library. On the home screen, swipe to the left until you open the app library. Tap on the search bar and type in camera. Tap, hold, and drag the camera app until you're on the home or other screen and release the app in a preferred location. Turn off camera restrictions. Open the Settings app and go to Screen Time. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Go to Allowed Apps. If asked, enter your iPhone passcode. Next to Camera, make sure the switch is green. Delete App Limits. Open the Settings app and go to Screen Time. Tap on App Limits. If there is a limit on all apps and categories, creativity, or camera, tap on it. You can edit the list by tapping Edit List and deselect only the camera app. Or you can delete the limit by tapping Delete Limit twice. Reset your home screen layout. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset Home Screen Layout. Confirm the selection. Restart your device. If a software bug or glitch is responsible for the missing camera app, a quick system restart should help get it back. Reset your device to factory settings. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue and follow the instructions to erase your device. When the process is finished, follow the instructions to set it up again and restore your backed up data. This method will reset settings and layouts and delete all your apps and data. Before performing a total reset, back up your data. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.